Everyone, I am Screen Kaur. Welcome back. I am going to introduce you about the prepositions. In this first sentence, meet is at the station. I hope you have guessed which is the preposition here. At. Okay. And we come to know about by this word about the place. Where is meet? At the station. Mean it is a preposition of place. In the next sentence, the ball went through the window. How did the ball pass? Through the window. Mean movement is shown here of the ball. She walks at night. In this sentence, when does she walk? Mean she walks at night. At word is a preposition here, so it's a preposition of time. We come to know about the time here. Now I will discuss about the prepositions of place, moment and time. Prepositions of times are here. We come to know about the time by the watch, clock or mobile phone nowadays, and calendar. By the watch or clock, we come to know about the hours and minutes. With hours and minutes, we use at. Likewise, I woke up at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, this way. Okay, at word is used with the proper time, like 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whatever is here. From the calendar, we come to know about the years, months, days, weeks, and dates. And with the years and months, we use in, and with week also we use in. Days and dates we use on. For example, she was born in 2010-12. Month's name, like she will visit in my house in June, in July, this way, in the first week of the month. Okay, with the days and dates we use on. For example, she will give the test on Monday, on Saturday, on 6th April, on 7th April, this way. On time is used for the at the arranged time. Okay, and in time and not too late, not too early, we use in time. For is used when a length of time is there, but don't tell when action started. For example, she works here for a few years. We don't know about when she started here to work. Okay, during is used for the period of time, like during the speech, during the summer vacation, during the winter vacation. For the period of time we use during preposition. Since is used when an activity that started in the past and is going on still now while we are speaking. An activity that started in the past and has started when we are speaking, like now. Okay, for example, he is working in this office since 2010-12, this way. I hope you come to know about the prepositions of time. Now I will introduce you with the prepositions of moment and direction. Stairs are shown here and movement is shown by thing is not on a particular place. It's going on, like she climbs up the stairs, he comes down from the stairs, this way. And any example we can take. Ribbon is around the mug, or you could say fly is running around the cup. Okay, and the boy is going away from the tree. And here the frog jumped into the pond, jug, ocean, something else you could write. Means into word shows us the moment. In is used for the resting position, like I am sitting in the room. Okay, mean we are surrounded by the room. He is in the house. The person is in the house means he is surrounded by the house. Mean the thing is on the particular place. But here the moment is shown. Mean the frog is jumping, jumped into the action is shown here. Okay, next one, on to the box. On to, like she climbed onto the building's roof. The book fell on the floor. Yeah, onto the floor. On to action we use for the action, and on we use for the resting position. Okay. And next, the water spilled onto the floor. Through means something goes through the, like a car goes through the bridge or anything else. And for the work hard also we use through word, like she goes through this chapter. That's why she understand that well. And out of, we can take any example. The boys comes out of the pond, or frog jumped out of the pond, this way. Between is used for the, means something is in the middle. Likewise, brown ball is between the blue ones. Okay. Cat is sitting behind. Action is going on here also. Sitting, she's sitting there. That's why behind the box and cube. Now I will talk about prepositions of place here. Between, under, at, in, or on. Okay. I mean any prepositions are here, but just I will talk about a few here because we have less time. At is used to discuss a certain point. For example, she lives in Park Street in Kolkata. Sorry, we will write here. She lives at Park Street in Kolkata. For the larger area we use in, and for the smaller area we use at, because Kolkata is a city and Park Street is any special place that is in Kolkata. So for the larger area in, and for the smaller area we use at. And in is used to discuss an enclosed space also. For example, water is in the bottle, like now water is surrounded by bottle, and tea is in the jug, in the cup, means something is enclosed. He is in the room, in the office, in the cabin, this way. On is used to discuss a surface. For example, surface is there, something is on the floor, on the ground, surface is shown there. Here I will talk you about again at and in. In is used for the enclosed area also and for the larger area also. Likewise, we can take the example of Kolkata here. Think that it's a Kolkata city. And smaller area is here. Park Street. And for the Kolkata we will use in, and at we use for Park Street. I hope you have enjoyed the chapter, and if you like this chapter, please subscribe the Khalacademy Sanka channel. Bye.